This is a morning walk on the rolling hills of Mawlangkhar. So come with me. Chalo, please come. Sharin?
Yes.
Let's go. Rolling hills of Mawlangkhar, West Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. We have come very early, so we will have our breakfast. We'll make Maggi, and we have brought some other things also today. Our small gas stove, छोटा वाला, ये हो गया छोटा वाला gas cylinder, Maggi, water bottle, and I have brought this. This is something new. We'd like to try it out. We don't have a drone, so we will just try it out, joining all these sticks, all of them, and then we'll increase the height of this so that we'll put our GoPro right on top. And for now we'll start cooking. Hello, Seren. Good morning, bro.
Good morning.
So we will have a breakfast. We'll cook Maggi and eat. After that we'll just go around the rolling hills of we are going to go down there, and we had our breakfast. So I think ho gaya, pet puja ho gaya. So let me go down. Before I go down, small gear 1635 25 mm, ये दोनों लेंस से लैंडस्केप शूट कर सकेगा. तो let me try it out whether I can do it or not. The play of light is not good. The play of light is not good. So let me try whatever I can do. So Seren,
Yeah.
Let's move forward.
Yes.
Chalo. The hill looks more or less the same. You come one after another, that look the same. Now this is slightly flat, and towards the left it's a little low. The hills are slightly sloped and low. So let's have a view. Or before that, let's just see the view from this top, na, Seren? Mr. Seren, let me map you with the landscape, not to cross the horizon. The height, your height should not cross the horizon, so that it will be easy for us to find out the entire scape of this rolling hills. Here, my friend, the lights are not good, become so dull again. If you come here right in the middle of the rolling hills, it's a valley. So I told my friend to climb up this small hill. Let me see if I will make him stand right in the middle, and try to photograph. क्या होता है? Let's have a panoramic view. तो सुंदर है बहुत. बड़ा बड़ा पत्थर भी है आगे में. बाद में थोड़ा क्लाउड्स ऐसा निकल सकता है, लेकिन ये हमेशा लग रहा है कि ची अभी हल्का से लाइट निकल रहा है. देखिए दोस्तों, here this is another hilltop. I have come up on top of the small hill. From here also we will be able to see different view. There's a paddy field down there, and the second rolling hills we are going to climb is this. It might look flat from the GoPro, but then let me follow the source of the lights. We've come down from there. That's towards the east. That's towards the east, and now we're gonna keep on walking. So let's see all the beautiful rolling hills. From there you'll get to see, we have come down from there, 1 2 3 4 5, over here was 6, then 7 8 9, behind 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, and many more. Anyways, will not count. The light is gone again. So then let's be here for some time. So let's see all the beautiful rolling hills. From there you'll get to see, we have come down from there, 1 2 3 4 5, over here was 6, then 7 8 9, behind 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, and many more. Anyways, will not count. The light is gone again. So then let's be here for some time. You can rest here for some time, and I just want to see from the top. Before that, let's go down towards the left hand side, and as you go from as you go towards the left hand side, it will take you right straight to main road. And let's see here. Kafi sundar, beautiful. October, almost mid of October, सुबह 7 बजे में भी थोड़ा ठंड लग रहा है. You get the feel of winter. Not very cold, but you can feel that winter is coming. As the winter starts, the greenery will go. That's why we have come here for morning walk. Good morning, Mawlangkhar. Chalo, we'll go ahead. I'm on top of the small rolling hills. This will go, as you see there, that will take you towards Nongstoin, and not much of an idea. And the trees, and if you go towards the right side, that will take, that's towards, if I don't make mistakes, that is towards Ramrai. Many more villages called Maung. From bypass, if you cut towards the right, that takes you to Ramrai. And if you climb up on top of the rolling hills, small rolling hills over there in Maung, you will see another beautiful view. Anyway, that is towards that side. So let's go over there again, my friends. Chalo. You know, Northeast people who has been coming out here, you know it very well. But then anybody who come from outside, let me tell you, Mawlangkhar is very easy to trek. You can park your car near the main road only, and then 10-15 minutes you can enjoy, climb up and enjoy all the rolling hills of this beautiful place of Mawlangkhar. So please do come and visit. It's a beautiful place. A few trees, and many a times when I have posted few photographs, some of them have commented that people has cut down all the trees, but this is not really so. The place is barren like this since before, since ages, and few trees are there where people don't cut them. And the beauty of this is, you know, covered with green grass, and also, 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 you know, covered with green grass, Small flowers, beautiful flowers. It's a beautiful place. Here nobody has cut down the trees, and it is an art designed by the creator. So chalo, let's explore some more of this place. कितना मेहनती से ये बिल्डिंग बनाई हुई है. It's a beautiful architecture. दोहरा है, अपना अपना ड्यूटी है, अलग है. नीचे में काऊ घाट है. अच्छा, नदी इस तरह से आई हुई है. Now I got it. अभी थोड़ा play of lights is better, so let's go a little closer. Welcome to Mawlangkhar. This is a morning walk here in Mawlangkhar, Meghalaya. Let's check the rolling hills. Later we'll go close. Weather is not good, foggy. काला काला पत्थर है इसमें. स्मॉल रॉक्स ऊपर तक है. सो आई विल कीप वॉकिंग इन बिटवीन दिस रॉक्स. ऊपर जब तक नहीं पहुंचेगा, ये रॉक्स का बीच में जाके दिखाता है आपको. सो फ्रेंड्स, माय मॉर्निंग वॉक हियर इन Mawlangkhar is over. वेदर इतना अच्छा नहीं है. फॉगी भी नहीं है, लेकिन द सन इज नॉट कमिंग अप. इट्स हाइडिंग inside the clouds, hoping that it will clear up, but then it's not happening. So it's time to leave this place. Anyways, Mawlangkhar is a beautiful place. We have come out here very early in the morning for a morning walk as well, and to see the beauty of this place. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, share, comments. Also please subscribe. On learning process, we'll show you many more beautiful places of Meghalaya. For now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you.